Similar to the percent proportion, there's different types that we're trying to find. So you could find the percent, you could find the part, or you could find the whole. So there are the same examples too. So for finding a percent, it would be set up as 3 is what percent of 6, or it could be something maybe worded a little bit different. And then here are some examples of what your equations could look like. So I'm not going to go over this entire part. You can read this on your own, or you can pause the video and try to read it. But this is more of like a reference guide if you needed to look back and say, okay, well, I have a question that's really similar to this. Is this the same? Am I finding the part? If I'm given 3 is 50% of 6, 3 is going to be my part. 50 is going to be my percent. And then 6 is going to be my whole. Because remember, when it says of a number, the number following the word of is going to be the whole. So it would be 3. And then also, if you're looking at the words, you can translate it too. So whenever you see the word is, you want to think equals. So because if I said, I don't know, 4 times 3 is 12, 4 times 3 equals 12. So you're doing 3 equals, and then we turn that percent into a decimal. Of, we think multiplication, and then the whole is 6. So 6 times 0.5 equals 3. And I'm going to write a note to myself at the very bottom of the page. Turn percent into a decimal. Because that's important. You will not get the same thing if you use a whole number. All right, now we're going to flip to the next page. So we're going to flip to the flip side. And we're going to work on example 1. So example 1, what number is 12% of 150? And I'm going to look in piece by piece. So for this piece, I say, okay, I'm just going to do little labels. I'm given my percent, P. I'm going to write this up here too. A equals P times W. Oops, can't see that. That's not helpful. It's not helpful if you can't see it, Miss Kilman.